What's up? You got any toilet paper?
I got some in the truck.
Yeah, can you mind if I borrow some? I for real might need it.
I'll charge you $20.
I know toilet paper is crazy right now.
What's going on? Well, we just pulled up. We got at least 2 birds gobbling that we know of. I'm gonna try to slip in here and get as close as we can while he's still on the limb. See if we can get him to do something.
Let's go.
What's the best way to go, you think?
I think let's go straight to him.
Got a bird gobbling up there.
He ain't gobbling real good. Oh, we're going toward him. Where was that one? Did you hear it? Do what? That ain't the same dirt. Call to him too. Make another 2-3 hens. That's another one in there, deeper gobbler. He's sounding closer. That's another one somewhere. Where's that one? No, to the left. Hey, there's 2. There's one to the right, one to the left. It sounded closer. Definitely closer. same spot. You stay right there. I'm gonna go back and call.
Well, as you can see, we got it done. I ain't gonna lie, the camera died, and we had been on them birds all morning.
Yep. We got in, we thought. I didn't think they had any hens at all.
They were gobbling good.
They were gobbling really good. And we crossed the little ditch, got set up on the side of that little ridge, and I thought they were just gonna come pop right over to us.
Yep.
But for whatever reason, they were hung up on the other side of it. So we tried to make some moves, tried falling back, we tried shutting up for a while, nothing worked at all. They just stayed in the same spot. So finally we just got up, we belly crawled probably what?
150 yards, 100 yards.
Yeah, a long ways. And we finally just got up inside their little bubble and got to where we could hear them scratching. We knew they were right there close, and they started back up gobbling again. Dylan was doing some good little soft calling, and finally we crawled up close enough to get a shot on them.
Yeah. I mean, we had been on these turkeys since like 7:30, and you didn't shoot till like 10.
It was right at 10 o'clock.
And I literally threw everything I knew at them. I mean, I even got back up with 150 yards, and they stayed in the same spot all morning. They didn't have any hens, but where they was at was we're hunting in some pretty wide open pines, and they could just see really good all around them. So they knew a hen should be coming to them, and they got on top of they were on top of a ridge most of the morning where they could see down where we was at, and they knew they didn't see hens, so they weren't coming. You know, and it's been a crazy few weeks. The only reason why we're getting to hunt is because the coronavirus. I know that sounds crazy, but we're out of school, and I killed one yesterday. Or was it yesterday or the day before yesterday? It was the day before yesterday. And looking like we're gonna be out for a lot longer for turkey season. But fine by me too. But this morning we really got mixed up kind of because we don't really know how many turkeys we heard, honestly. But everything was echoing, and I would hear a woodpecker, and I think it'd be a turkey gobbling. I'd look at Hayes and be like, "Did you hear it?"
I can't hear no way. So.
I can't hear good either, but I mean, it was so bad. At one point, I turned around and looked at Hayes and said, "Is that somebody calling?" And I think it was a little Tweety bird.
I don't know. It sounded like somebody calling.
It was a good hunt.
It was.
You know, and a lot of people leave around. You know,
They would have left right that first time they went quiet. They would have gave up on them.
Yeah.
I probably would have.
I was about to the point where I was giving up on them, to be honest with you. But you know, we just kept at it. Good Lord looked out for us.
Yeah, for sure.
Because when I got back up to try to go behind them and call, I got to looking and I could see on the other ridge. I mean, if the turkeys were standing right there, they would have seen me. It just so happened they had them walked over just a little bit. And they gave me and Hayes, we eventually got fed up with it, so we just crawled up there. But I do have to apologize for the camera dying. We probably wouldn't have got it on film anyway, because, I mean, crawling is hard to film. But, you know, check out our website, gunnergamecalls.com. Ambusher 4 Reed had them gobbling this morning.
Sure did.
And be sure to like and subscribe down below.